Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn on your Apple Watch while charging. So, this is going to work on all the Apple Watches, so it doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have. And today in front of me is Apple Watch SE, first generation, the 40mm size. And as you can see now, the Apple Watch is turned off. It's not working, only the always on display of the hour is working for right now, and this Apple Watch has about 75-80% of battery, as you remember. So it's charged, pretty charged, it's not like on a zero. And if you and also I'm going to use the aftermarket charger. It really doesn't matter what charger you are going to use. You can use the original one from the box, or an aftermarket like me. It really doesn't matter. If you're going to put your Apple Watch on a charger, it is simply going to turn on. But if the Apple Watch is 0%, you left it somewhere in a dark place and it is charged, not charged, like the battery is complete zero, it is going to take some time to turn the Apple Watch on, because like with a phone, it needs some time to charge the battery. So yeah, it's gonna take 2 minutes to turn on the Apple Watch. And now, as you can see, the Apple Watch has turned on. I have the bedside clock option on, so right now the Apple Watch is charging. You can use it as you want to use it. You can go through the apps and do whatever you want to with it, but you cannot turn it off actually while the Apple Watch is charging. I'm going to show you right now by pressing the power button for about 2 seconds to go to the power option menu. And as you can see, we have this little power icon, and even if I click on it, it's not working. If I'm going to lift the Apple Watch from the charger, as you can see, now the power icon has lightened up, and now I can power off my Apple Watch. But you cannot do this while the Apple Watch is charging, as you can see right now. So if you want to turn it off, you cannot charge your Apple Watch. And as I said before, if you're going to put it on a charger, the Apple Watch is going to turn on automatically. So this is how you turn on your Apple Watch while charging. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!